Hello, in this video I will talk about that how we can make cartoon animation in PowerPoint. So for this I have downloaded few pictures from Google, or you can download these graphics from Google or any other website. So this is our ground and this will be our sky. So for this I have also downloaded other graphics from Google, and you can download in from Google or Freefake or any other free website. You can also download these from wikteasy.com, or there are many other free graphics websites. So I downloaded this image, and apart from this I also downloaded some trees graphics. So I will insert those trees graphics also in the PowerPoint along with some cars. So you can see that these are all the separated image. This is also a car graphics or image. This is also separated. So these are all separated. For graphics we need separated images. So after that I will add a road in this graphic. So I will also insert it. So this will become our main road. This will become somehow our showroom or parking area. So I will take it a little bit above here, or I will attach it to the road. Okay, so that's how. After that I will add another beautiful car. So after that I will also add some air balloons, hot air balloons. So I will insert also these air balloons. So as I downloaded all these graphics, so I just only copy paste from the my desktop. So then I will insert a man with parachute. I will insert it here. You can see it. It's a beautiful man with parachute. Then I will insert aeroplane also. So here is an aeroplane. Okay, so now all the graphics I want to animate are completed. So now I will add animation to these graphics. Now we will start the animation from this car, so that it will pass through this road from this point to here. So I will go to animation. I will click here. Then I will go to line animation. As I don't like the animation from top to down, I will go from left to right, but I will take this lamp from here to all here. Then I will just double click on here. If it is not coming with you, just come here and click on the animation panel. So you will, and then double click on this animation. It will pop up. So you can make it to 0 and then go to timing, and timing I will make it up to 14 seconds, and the repetition I would like up to the end of the slide. So then after that I will click OK. So let's see that how this animation look like now. Now you can see that how this car is coming from that side to that. As it is little bit slow, so I will speed up. So just I will double click on it. I will click on it and make it up to 10 seconds. Now see that how it look like. Now it look fine. Okay, now we will animate this car little bit, so that little bit animation will show here. I will zoom it. So we will come here again, go to animation, and animation I will come here. I will add just a little bit animation with it, just a little bit animation with it up to here. So I will come here again, remove it, and I think 4 seconds will be fine here. 4 seconds, and again I will make it that it will auto reverse, so that it will go forward and then it go backward, and timing I will make it at the end of the slide. Okay, and I would like that all the animations start with previous. So now you can see it, that this animation started, and now you can see that this red car, it's go forward, then it backward, then it will go forward and then backward. So I will add the same animation to it. Okay, so for this I will come here again, line animation. I will go that it will should go reverse, not that much reverse. I will take it up to here and do the same process with it. Make it auto reverse and make its timing up to 4 seconds, and at the end of the slide click OK, and it will start with the previous. So the car animations is almost done. Now we will come here to the balloon animations, so that how we can animate it. So same line animation I will use is I will use it here. I will click both the balloons, come here, and I will just select on the line animation, and so it will go at the upside. Okay, so now we see that now we check let's see that how this animation looks like, these balloons animations. So for this I will select both, that these both also start with the previous animation. Now you see that this animation just go upward, but I would like that as the balloon go upward, it also shrinking in size, so that it looks like that these balloons are going far away from us. So for this I will add grow and shrink animation. So I will double click on it. Sorry, as I click on grow and shrink animation, so the previous animation disappear, the line animation. Okay, so I will control Z it. I will came here to add animation, and I will select line animation. Sorry, not line animation. I will come here and select grow and shrink animation. I will double click on it, and I would like that its size should not increase, but it will become decrease till up to 25% or 30%. It's all up to you. So I will click OK. Start with previous. Now let's check on the big screen. Now you can see it, this that the balloons go upward and shrinking in size. So I will adjust the speed, so it smoothly move forward, upward, and make at end of the slide and take up to, I would like it to 8 seconds. Okay, and also make the timing up to 8 seconds and the end of the slide. Okay, I would also like to add animation of grow and shrink here also, and make it up to 40 seconds, sorry, 40%, and timing up to 8 seconds, and also at the end of the slide. Okay, now you will see that how these animations work now. Okay, now you can see that these balloons are going forward and also away, too much away from us. Okay, so it's look fine, and now it's disappear. Now it's repeat and repeat again and again here. Now we will add some animation here again, line animation up to here, so it will move in cross direction, diagonal direction, and let's see it how it looks. We'll adjust it, its timing up to 6 seconds and up to the end of the slides, and okay, and it also should start with the previous. So now let's check it. Now let's check it, these and all these. It should reach to the ground, then it will reappear. Okay, now we will add animation to the flames. So I should also add line animation. You know that how much good and important is this line animation. It should come up to here or here. It's all about you, but I will take it up to here. I will double click on it, make it this and this, and increase its timing up to 10 second. I think 10 second will be fine, and the end of the slide, and okay. And it should also start with the previous. So now you see that the airplane is coming, and it's go all the way here. Okay, but I will little bit also add the shrink animation so that it says should shrinking with time. I will make it up to 75%, and timing will be up to the end of the slide, and I would like to change up 8 seconds. Okay, I will make the animation, both the animation, the line animation grow and to shrink the duration up to 8 seconds, and all these are fine. I will click OK. So now you can check it, all the animations are quite looking smooth and beautiful. So these are all about the cartoon animations. We can also add some light animation in this hotel. So let's make some line animation. I will just make some design insert. Sorry, I will go to home and make some square. I will make it no outline and make it something like yellow. I will take the copy pyramid by pressing Ctrl, by holding Ctrl and drag it. Make a little bit like this. Make another copy and adjust it. Or what if we can make the whole something like this, so that the light will see here, but it will not look fine. So we will use the same method. We will adjust its height width so it look fine. So it looks fine, but you can adjust it by yourself more accurate. So I will make Ctrl G to make a group. Now it's become a group. I will go to animation and will add some kind of pulse animation. So let's check out how this pulse animation look like. I will go to at the end of the slide and will go up to 1 second will be fine, I think. Okay, start with previous. Let's check that how it look like. No, these are not looking good. I should adjust it. I should cover all the black spots. Okay, now it looks quite good here, but what if we change it from pulse to blinking animation? Here is the blink animation. Let's check it at how it looks like. So now you can see that there is a blinking animation, also some kind of lights that are using here, but we will increase its time so that it will not too much disturbing. Okay, or you can make it without animation, just like yellow, so that it looks that that the light is on here. Okay, Okay, so it's all set. I will go to format shape and make a little bit white lines. No, it's not good. Okay, so now it's fine. You can do some other adjustment in your lighting or other system. So now you can see that how these animations are looking good. You can make this animation very easily. Okay, so if you have any question or want to learn more about PowerPoint animation, you can subscribe my channel and check all those videos on animation and designing in PowerPoint. Thank you very much for your time.